When we analyze the data, what we're trying to do is put some context to it. We're packaging it up with our own expertise. That's something that the client will really be able to really get some use out of the data, because otherwise it's just lines below the seabed. It doesn't really mean anything until we add that extra knowledge base to it. And at Green Rebel, we have a deep knowledge of the areas that we work in-house. Next steps on the geophysical side for Energia are to package everything up, make sure all the different lines of data and associated reasoning and interpretations are congruent and consistent throughout, and we package it into a final report, and that gets delivered with the raw data itself to the client so they can start using it however they see fit.
When we finished off the survey, we acquired a really comprehensive data set, and what that enables us to do is get a really good understanding of the seabed. So that's used from both an environmental and a technical perspective. From the environmental perspective, we'll be considering that in our environmental impact assessment, and that'll go in as part of our planning application. From a technical perspective, we look at what the seabed is made up of and how we might be able to design a foundation that could support a wind turbine or some of the other infrastructure that we'll have at the offshore wind site. Energy is delighted to work with Green Rebel, another Irish company, to kickstart the development of the offshore wind industry supply chain, and really to start working on how we can deliver these projects over the coming decade. We're committed to playing a leading role in decarbonising the energy system across the island of Ireland, which is critical for addressing climate change.